Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to adjust water temperature in Planet Zoo. Some animals that use water sources, like ponds and lakes, also require a specific water temperature to stay comfortable. If the temperature isn't suitable for them, you'll need to make some adjustments. To do this, you'll need to build a water temperature regulator. First, go to the Facilities button at the bottom center of your screen. On the left category panel, select Utilities. There, you'll find the Water Temperature Regulator. Select it, and you'll see a heat map showing the regulator's range. Place it somewhere away from areas where guests tend to gather, and preferably somewhere close to a path. Keep in mind that the regulator needs electricity to work, so make sure it's within range of a working power source. Once you've placed it, click on the Water Temperature Regulator. On the window to the right, you'll find a slider that lets you adjust the water temperature. Simply drag the slider to your desired temperature, and the regulator will automatically adjust the temperature of any water sources within its range. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.